I welcome all to my channel. In this video class, we are going to see few of the important rules along with the simple drawings. For channel details and introduction, refer to my EG video class 1 and also description given in the channel. Regarding rule of standards, we follow BIS rules. Refer to the drawing sheet. Standards followed. BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standards. Next, the procedure of drawing the lines to be known based on pencil grade and drawing methods. Now, refer the second one, that is thin lines and grade lines. 2H pencil is used. Then third one, thick lines and grade lines. HB pencil is used. This one gives light impression. This gives dark impression on the paper. In both the cases, the pencil should be maintained at a sharp edge to produce proper drawing projections. Then regarding the fourth one, pencil usage grades, HB, H, 2H, 3H, etc. Grade pencils are available for various minor applications. Regarding lines also, there are different types of lines and different grade pencils available to apply in the lines. But to the practical situation, usage of 2H and HB pencils are sufficient, including time saving. Also remember, take care about light and darkness needs in the drawing projection, because neatness and presentation of drawings are most important. Next, regarding the lines as given in the fifth underlines, there are different lines like outline, hidden lines, dimension lines, hatching lines, center lines, etc. are available in practice, which are all will be explained at the drawing in the later case. Next, referring here the sixth and seventh one, that is lettering and dimensioning method. Here also there are procedures available that are to be adapted, which will be better to understand while in the drawing time. Next, referring to the examples of dimension that is given under 8th, a small object shape is shown whose dimensions are mentioned here to know about how the dimensions are to be maintained. There are few conditions only given, limited. Other conditions we will see in the later. One of the important condition is dimension line and object should be at a 10 millimeter gap. This is the dimension line. This is the object line, main line. Between this, there should be 10 millimeter gap. Likewise, dimension line should be parallel to object line. This is another condition. Always this dimension line should be parallel to the object. Here also, this is parallel to the object. Here it is shown here. The number is shown outside the line in this direction. Here it is shown like this. This is the rule through which we have to follow for method of dimensioning. Likewise, for mentioning the hole diameter, dia 20 should be given, or otherwise R10. The R refers to radius, may be given. In both cases, remember, before the number only, the symbols must be maintained. That should be properly remembered. The object outer lines and important lines must be maintained with HB pencil to have dark projection. Next, arrowhead is also important. 3:1 is the ratio for the arrowhead. It is not mm or centimeter, only the ratio. This should be maintained. 3 is the length of the arrow, 1 is the width of the arrow. This is the ratio to use the arrowhead. But the size of the arrow depends upon the length of the line. When the length of the line is too much, the arrow size should also be higher. When the length of the line is lower, then arrowhead size should also be relatively lower. This should be remembered, even though it is maintained in ratio of 3:1. Now, referring to the drawing sheet, you could see few of the important geometrical constructions one by one. The first one is angles. In this, there are three angles shown. First one is theta is equal to 90 degree. Then these two lines will be perpendicular to each. This is called right angle. Next one is acute angle. When theta is less than 90 degree as shown, then this will be acute angle. When the theta is greater than 90 and less than 180, then it is called obtuse angle. The horizontal line gives 180 degree above the line, 180 degree below the line, totally 360 degree for a particular point. Out of this, when theta is equal to greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, in that case it is called obtuse angle. Second one, you see the triangles. There are three sides for the triangle as shown. The three sides are shown here. The first one, that is right angled triangle. The second one, it is isosceles triangle. Third one, it is equilateral triangle. If one of the three angles comes 90 degree as shown here, then it is a right angled triangle. When two sides P1 equal to P2 and two angles theta 1 is equal to theta 2, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Similarly, the third one, three sides P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3, and theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3. That is, if all the three sides are equal in length, all the three angles are equal, in that case it is called equilateral triangle. In any case, for a triangle, the sum of the total angle in the inner side of the triangle gives always 180 degree. That is the general concept. Next one is quadrilateral. It is having four sides as shown. It is a common name for all these types. First one is rhombus. Here P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3 is equal to P4. All the four sides are equal in length. Next condition with respect to angles is not equal to 90 degree. Even a single angle out of this is not equal to 90 degree. But at the same time, theta 1 is equal to theta 3 and theta 2 is equal to theta 4. That is, the opposite angles are equal in value. This is the condition for rhombus. Rhomboid is also similar to rhombus except a small difference. Here P1 is equal to P3 and P2 is equal to P4. P1 is equal to P3, P2 is equal to P4. That is, the opposite sides are equal in length. Not all the sides like that of rhombus. But with respect to angles, here also it is not equal to 90 degree. No angle is equal to 90 degree. But opposite angles are equal here also. That is with respect to rhomboid. Next one is trapezoid. In this case, two sides are parallel. That is P2 equal to P4 or any other two sides. Any one of the set of two sides are parallel. In that case, it is called trapezoid. In this case, no sides are parallel. All sides are having different directions, making different angle. So this is called trapezium. P1, P2, P3, P4. Here also there are 4 sides. Okay, with this let me stop, and rest of the subject will be dealt in my next video class. Thank you all. We will see in the next video class. Thank you once again.